Once again, welcome to e-learning online course on designing e-resources. Linking units using Masher. Masher is intended to help us make larger units of materials linked together. Using hot potatoes, you have created JClose, JQuiz, JMax, JCross, JMatch, etc. So you have made lot many worksheets like fill in the blanks, match the columns, crossword, quizzes. So you can link all these exercises and make them into a single HTML file using Masher. So in this video you will learn how to link units prepared using Masher and how to share the same with students. So let's get started. For that, go to the hot potatoes icon in the desktop. So this is the Masher by which we can link all our exercises into a single HTML file and share that HTML file with the students. But before starting this activity, we must put all the hot potatoes file in one folder. So I am going to drive D, class 10 science, quiz and assignments. These are all the hot potatoes files. I'll put it into one folder, hot potatoes. They are all put into hot potatoes folder. Now coming back to Masher, click Masher, go to File, click New Project, then come down in the right corner, click Browse, D drive, class 10 science, quiz and assignments, hot potatoes. Select hot potatoes folder. This folder is having all the files which we have created using hot potatoes. So click OK. Then add files. Again going to the same D drive, class 10 science, quiz and assignments, hot potatoes. Select all the files at once and click open. Now it is asking, would you like to add these files? You can click OK for each of the file or you can click OK to all. So I am clicking OK to all. So all these files are shown here. After that, come to the bottom. In the mid is given build unit. Click that. Click yes. Again click yes. It is also asking, would you like to make changes? It's your choice if you wish to make changes. Click yes. So all these worksheets are linking together and a single HTML file is being created in which all these worksheets are linked together. Let's click. This is gap fill exercise. From here we will go to next. This is mix 1, capitals of states, types of animals on the basis of nutrition, quiz, likewise. So this is the single HTML file which is having links for all the exercises. You can share this link with the student and student can attempt all the exercises through this single HTML link. The project has been modified. Do you want to save changes? Click yes. Save this project to disk. Let it name be Masher. Save. Let's see where it is saved. D drive, class 10 science, quiz and assignments, hot potatoes. And here you see the index. It is an HTML file. This HTML file you are to send as an attachment to the WhatsApp group of students. So when they open this HTML file named index, they will be able to attempt all the exercises under the single HTML file. Likewise. So you are to share the index file with the students which is in the form of HTML file. and this HTML file can be shared as an attachment in the WhatsApp group of students.